Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and I'm playing Slime Rancher 2 again. Just up my graphics a lot. I don't know if y'all will be able to notice this. This might be my first Slime Rancher video in 4K. And the objective, I've got an objective, and it's to get honey slime in a corral. So let's get right at that.
Honey slime with what?
I don't know, just any honey slime. Let's have a look at the Slimepedia, shall we? Honey slime with tabby slime? That doesn't sound that bad, does it? That's tabby plots sorted. Tabby plots quite hard to get. PC sounds like it's about to explode now in recording. Probably will. It's fine, it's just a bit of fans. That's what the fans are meant for anyway. I mean, yes! We're coming. Oh my god! Oh, I see the hunter larger. Oh no.
It's not a larger, that's the hunter thingy-my-bobby.
No, that's a tabby flat.
That's tabby? That is tabby?
Yeah, it's a tabby flat thing that needs sucking.
Oh!
Mango tree. Yes! That's what I remember what the honey's favourite fruit is now. It's like those weird mangoes. Do you remember, Tom? Or did you not play Slime Rancher 1?
I didn't play Slime Rancher 1.
Sad.
Check Slimepedia. Well,
It is, it's the mysterious mango or something, whatever it's called.
I barely played it.
Oh, yeah.
That's the mint mango.
Mint mango.
Yeah, I know that one. Yeah.
Yeah, I knew what it was. I knew roundabout like that.
I played this game enough. I played the second one enough.
Oh, you actually played this game?
Yeah?
Why don't you make a video on it?
I don't have it downloaded. I played it. I used to play it. It got boring.
That's a rock slime. Do I really want this jelly slime? I've got enough at home. I've already opened that rock place up before anyway, and there's no good in it. You commit suicide. Come on. Go commit suicide. Good boy. Did you just watch that?
Go commit suicide. Goodbye.
Yeah, he just literally... Don't need that. We do need you. We need... Say, what? 6. Oh, those look so pretty now. Look at now. I've put my glowing up. Oh, that's a tip for me. Stay away from phosphorus slimes. Oh no, I'm scared. What's gonna happen when I go back home?
Why?
Because I've put my like glowing on max. So like things that can glow will glow. Look at the phosphors, man. Look how much they glow. I have about 15 largos of them at home. Oh, there's the honey guy. Mark to move.
Down there's the hunter. isn't it?
Is it really?
Around somewhere around here is the hunter.
Yeah, that.
No, no, that's not the hunter.
Yeah, it is. That'll be the hunter. That's the hunter.
No, hunter's down there.
You're a hunter.
Now go down there.
No.
No, yeah, that you're going that way. Now go left. Down to the end and then take
it's in
right.
that cave, isn't it?
No, go right, Mason.
Oh.
Down there. Swear. See, I remember this.
You know when you said you eat meat? What kind of meat? Does meat? Oh, that's not meat.
Meat proceeds to fraud.
I'm always happy with my rating. Oh, that's 5. I need 10 for a jetpack. Wait, I've still got 2 at home, haven't I? Let's go. This place is insane. Until it kills me, and then I'll scream at it and never come back. I don't really want to go out looking for the mint mangoes. I'd like to just pair it with something I've already got. I feel like anglers and honeys could have something. Do you know what I mean? Because I've got the food for anglers. I could full well do that without any hesitation. Let me just check what my CPU is on while it's loading. Wait, not Alt F4, that's the wrong one. Right. Oh God, that's yikes. 60. Now what's it on? It's almost like sugar. That's scary. That is very scary. Why did I put my graphics on max? Did you just see that slime vanish?
No.
That slime vanished in front of my eyes.
I wasn't paying attention.
And I were. I don't know if I was paying enough attention or I've just been on
Oh,
my...
guys, if you're watching this video, yeah, search up on YouTube. It's me, Tom. That's me with a 3.
I already shut off
and
the
that's
recording.
and that's Tom with a 0. Make sure to subscribe.
I just shut
because
off
they
the
are
recording.
top tier. They are top
I
tier.
just shut off the recording.
No! That was my only bit of self-promotion. I can't believe you've done this.
Sure.
Nah! Oh, I can't wait till you turn that recording back on.
I'll each ate one of it. Ow! Every single one of you gets like a plot. Come on. There you go. Alright. Get back in. Oh, bye. I might need more of them in the future.
Time to have food. I am hungry. We need food.
I just gave them pomegranates. Oh God. Okay, I'm back because I realised I wasn't recording half the time. So, this is what we've done. We unlocked a new area, the den, and we also got some more slimes. You saw me get the honey slimes, I think. This is me while editing, so hi! And done this. Got my pomegranates. We've done everything we can. Got another pomegranate tree. These guys were breaking out, so I had to get some less of them. And then these guys started breaking out. So I will see. I'll let Past Mason handle this. Oh!
Peace out! Oh God, please, me too!